What's up, YouTube and all my Can-Am riders out there? I was about to take the Can-Am out for the new Spyder out, do a vlog, but then I happened to look online, saw this cool updated feature that you could put that integrates your phone, Android and iPhone into your navigation screen. I'm not gonna just talk you through it because it's, Can-Am already did a whole video on how to do it. Let's just watch the video together.
Go On-Road navigation is the best option if you're looking for a navigation solution on your 10 and 4-inch touch display that works seamlessly on both Android and iOS. To unlock this feature, start by downloading the free BRP Go app on your phone from the Google Play Store or App Store. If you already have the app installed, make sure you have the latest version downloaded. Open the app and head over to the Discover tab. Make sure that you are logged into your BRP Go profile or create an account. Next, press the Activate Vehicle button to add your Can-Am motorcycle or three-wheel vehicle's VIN to your profile. Check the text at the bottom of the video to locate your VIN. Now you have access to BRP Go On-Road navigation in the Navigation tab. Let's go to the Applet menu on your vehicle's 10 and 4-inch touch display. Tap the Preferences applet and make sure your display software is up to date by selecting the Wi-Fi option and connecting it to a network or your phone's hotspot. Then head over to General and select Software Update to check for any available updates. If there is one available, download it. Once this is confirmed, scroll down to select the navigation option. Press on to set BRP Go as the default navigation tool. Then reboot when the message on the screen pops up. When the reboot sequence is complete, you will now see that the navigation applet has replaced the Apple CarPlay applet. Make sure BRP Go is open with the On-Road Playground selected from the map details. Connect your phone to the display by plugging it into your vehicle's USB port. Make sure you use a good quality USB cable and have all the necessary permissions activated for BRP Go to avoid any connection issues. You've now successfully unlocked BRP Go On-Road navigation and all of its advanced navigation features, including route planning, turn-by-turn navigation, seeing your friend's live location on the map, and more. Ride safe.
A few moments later.
Alright, now that y'all figured out that update, it's time to head out and have some fun. Let's get out of here. Ride safe, just like they said, ride safe.